Next is Regina from Mintbase. So yeah, it's another very exciting project. I think one of the main projects on the Near platform. So Near obviously is not Gnosis or Ethereum, so I guess we have to change the name of our meetup. But yeah, thanks a lot for coming, and I'm very excited to see the presentation. Thank you, Regina.
Thank you, Stefan. Hello, everybody. My name is Regina, and thank you so much for having me. Super excited to be here. To give some context to what Stefan was saying, we're building our Near protocol, but we share the office with the Gnosis team, which is one of the reasons why we're here. So we're just down the hall. So Mintbase, we're providing fast, scalable, and decentralized NFT infrastructure for folks that want to build their own NFT products on Near protocol. Simply put, if we can just change the slide. So for a little bit of context, our co-founders, Nate and Caro, first started off on Ethereum as an NFT marketplace in 2018, seeing some of the scalability issues, and I'm guessing this might be a controversial topic in these rooms, and one I can't win, so I won't go into it. Seeing the scalability issues with Ethereum, we decided to rewrite our platform in Near protocol, and launched on mainnet in April 2021. So we've been an NFT marketplace on Near since then, mostly focusing on utility NFTs, so ticketing, redeemables, and things like this. 2022 has been a big year for us. We raised our Series A, and we kicked off our grants program, which is what's going to help us now build our developer community. So more than being an NFT marketplace, now we want other people to use the tools that we've created and build their own NFT products. Go after. And now, briefly explaining our tech stack, I feel really humbled after the previous presentation, and I'm a marketing, not a technical person, so I won't go too deep into this. If you want to know more, you can scan this QR code, and that will take you to a video of our CEO and co-founder, Nate, really explaining this in a detailed way. But basically, what have we built that developers can leverage? So we have an interoperable indexer that will allow you to easily read data from the entire Near protocol ecosystem. And then we have market, minter, and redeeming systems that we have battle tested. Our users have battle tested, so that's how we're sure they work. If you look at this graph, so we'll have the market, minter, redeemers, our market contracts. We have auctions and simple sales. We're indexing data from all the other Near NFT marketplaces, and you'll see here we have our 5 million grants. So we now are trying to build our developer community, as we sort of believe that the future of NFTs is not having one big marketplace or competing to be the #1 marketplace, but rather having a bunch of communities spinning off their own marketplaces. So we're hoping that our 5 million grants program is going to help with that. If we can move on to the next slide. And that's been our main focus now. So this is something we're doing in partnership with the Near Foundation. For 2022, I think we started issuing funds like a month or two ago. So we have a small tranche for this year. We have 600K, reviewed over 50 applications. 17 projects have been approved, ranging from decentralized identity protocols. There's this team building a decentralized whiskey exchange that we're really excited about. NFT meets OnlyFans. There is a bunch of stuff that are being built. It's a great use case, you'll be surprised. We're super excited. First milestones are coming in next week. And for 2023, we have applications open, hoping to expect a bunch more interesting projects. Yeah, we listed a few things here, but have Web 2 to Web 3 integrations. Someone built a Shopify integration. We have the decentralized identity, in-game marketplaces. Certification is actually a Portuguese company that's building food certification and supply chain management using NFTs. So projects really range like different themes, and that's something that we're really excited about. One of the main requirements that we have for our grants program is that submissions need to be at least partly open sourced. The aim is that the ecosystem can use each other's tools and continue to build on top of that. I don't want to take my presentation too quickly, or I have really not that many slides. So we move on from the grants, and then I guess, thank you. And what I did want to say is, if you want to build on Mintbase, this will take you to all our developer documentation. So maybe you're thinking of expanding to Near, exploring a bit more the NFT space, have a look at our tech stack, and get in touch with us. Twitter, Discord, Telegram, all of those things. We're posting regular updates on the grants program. I guess I forgot to mention that one of our main focuses is being 100% transparent with the grants. That's a problem we feel there's sometimes in the Web3 space. So we're making sure we publish all the projects that got approved, how much money they're receiving, what milestones they're delivering. So you can check all of that on our GitHub. All of the applications are there. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Does anyone has any questions? Yeah, Dave.
I mean, I'm not very familiar with NFTs and stuff, but I'm curious, like, what the trade volume is on Near of NFTs compared to ETH or Solana. Like, is there a big market?
Good question, difficult to answer. So early this year, there was a big growth in the NFT market on Near. At the moment, not so much. So I wouldn't say we have such a big trading volume, which is part of the reason as well why we're focusing on utility for the NFT space, yeah. So trading volume at the moment, it's quite low, yeah.
But I think
to add something. So sorry, just to wrap that up. This said, we're not super focused on Near, and who knows if we're going to explore other chains. We feel like Near at the moment is one of the strongest blockchains technically for what we want to do out there, yeah.
No, actually, I had another question. So you mentioned that you want to use grants to grow the ecosystem, and as I understand, Mintbase is not like OpenSea or the others where there's only one platform, like one platform fits all, but rather for different use cases, the Mintbase infrastructure can be used to bootstrap your own. How do you, what's your strategy with grants? Like, how do you find those teams? Like, what do you want to see being built on Mintbase?
Yeah, good question. So I think for this first round, we were really lucky. We were actually surprised with the quality of the applications that we've received. We tailored the grants program in a way that it would mostly attract technical teams, because that's what we're focusing on. So we want people building solid products. So we made all the process on GitHub. So someone who's not a developer is not really going to be able to apply. That was thing number one. And that's, I guess, well, after we're looking for is what projects can add the most to the Near ecosystem. So what components can be used by the highest number of people, and what will be the most useful for the ecosystem.
Cool, yeah, thanks a lot, Regina. And yeah, thanks a lot for your presentation.
Thank you, good to be here. Thank you, guys.